Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm so excited to share with you our experience on our first cruise. We are gonna go on a Royal Caribbean cruise. We are from Orlando and we're going to Fort Lauderdale. This is where our cruise is. This is a 5-day trip. Instead of going on winter break, we went on the second week of January. This is because if we go on winter break, it's gonna be really crowded. Plus the cost is higher. And some of my friends said it was not as clean. When we went on the second week of January, it was cleaner, the cost was lower, and it was not as crowded. We reached our destination. We just finished a security check. Now they check our passports. This is the cruise's port of entry. Now we finished all the checks and now let's go straight to the ship. When we book our tickets, we get to choose our own deck and room. They said we can go on the ship at 4, but they let us go at like 11:30. Now let's go into the ship.
ஹலோ இங்கே பாருங்க என்னமோ சொன்னேன் Say hello. Where you are going?
The crew.
Huh?
Crew. Hi channel cuties, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to cruise ship.
They were giving emergency instructions, so everybody was listening.
It's all here, just remember where is it and how to go. If you're in your stateroom during the emergency, take your life jackets, warm clothes, and informations if you need to. If you're not in stateroom, go straight to your master station, we'll bring everything. If you need medical assistance or appointment, you can call 51. If it's emergency, you can call 911. For children under 12, you will find a wristband in your room. They need to wear this for food use. This is how you find the master session and deliver them to you. And lighting today is going to be 7 short, 1 long plus demonstration from America. You don't have to go anymore, you don't have to leave. It's just for you, get familiarized with the sound. And I will show you live jacket demonstration after you're done. All of this alcohol, clothes, chairs. Pool inside, and you will have whistle and light what is gonna activate, gonna attach to it. And that's it. You don't have any more.
We finished listening to the instructions, so now let's go into the ship.
Check it that side. அங்கிட்டு பாருங்க.
We wanted to go to our room, but they said it would take some time to get it ready for us. The time is 12:30, and since we traveled 3 hours, we were really hungry, so we decided to have lunch and then go back to our room.
Deck 11.
We finally got to the Windjammer, and let's check it out.
All the way at the back, okay? All the way at the back. Thank you, welcome, welcome to the board. Thank you, enjoy your time.
The Windjammer is basically a free, all-you-can-eat buffet. They had separate sections for each food. They had different kind of cuisines. There was a lot of food, and the food was really great here. Best to go early because you won't find any tables to eat on. Beverages were included too. They had a lot of options for vegan and vegetarians too. Because we went on a second week of January, you can clearly see it was not as crowded. We finished our lunch, so let's head to our room.
Deck 9.
Our room was in deck 2. There was a screen next to the elevator which showed a map. I would recommend looking at it because this ship was huge. It's very easy to get lost in here. The employers were very friendly, so feel free to ask them for help if you get lost.
I hope ஒன்னொரு elevator அந்த side இருக்குல்ல. Here we go.
We finally found our room. The key cards are next to the door. Let's check out the room. Wow, this room is great. This is a 4-people room. There are bunk beds above the original bed in case we need room for more people. There's a safe and life jackets here. There was plenty of room inside the closet. It was even big enough to fit all our suitcases. The bunk beds ladders are here. On this side there are drawers. There was a chair and a pretty small workspace. On the table there were internet details and event details, along with our cruise ID cards. These cards are needed to get off the ship and get on the ship. You have to keep these safe and you can't lose them. There was also a small TV. And inside this is a mini fridge. There was a small couch and a tea table. The room was pretty neat. This is the bathroom. There's a small walk-in shower. There was towels and soap in here. That's it for now. We're so tired, so we're gonna take some rest. We'll be back when the ship leaves to show y'all. In this video, you saw how the cruise room was. Don't forget to check out our next videos. We will show you around the cruise and how much fun we had. If you need any information, make sure to comment. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.